Hello, my name is Glenn Palmer. Early this year, I saw Lady Gaga do an interview with Jimmy Kimmel, and she impressed me when she said, social media is the toilet of the internet. So rather than Twitter, I've written the following old fashioned letter to AOC about how we can make the world a much better place, starting with a class action against all those involved in destruction of the lives of millions, pandering politicians, greedy educators, and especially the news media. Hope you appreciate the video.